Marine Squadron in Edmonton, Alberta in 2012. She joined 424 Squadron in 2019 to become a search and rescue pilot. Now you can see that the helicopter is now departing the scene. That allows our diver, who just exited the aircraft, to tend to the folks on the sunken vessel or who are finding themselves stuck in the water. They depart the helicopter so that the SARTEC can communicate with our victims. And in just a few moments, once they have our victims stabilized, they'll call in the Griffon helicopter one more time to hoist both the diver and the people on the vessel to safety. Our search and rescue technician master today is Master Corporal Troy Oliver. He served with the Canadian Armed Forces for 12 years, previously as a medical technician in Petawawa. After graduating from the Search and Rescue Training and Selection course, he was posted to 424 Squadron, and he's now qualified Search and Rescue Technician on both the CC-130 Hercules as well as the CH-146 Griffon. Our SARTEC in the water, just puffing smoke right now so that the helicopter and the crew on board can spot up quickly, is Master Corporal Carl Pilat. Master Corporal Pilat joined the Canadian Forces in 2008 as an infantryman with the Royal 22nd Regiment. In 2016, he applied for SARTEC, and after graduating with the course, has been operating on a 424 Squadron Trenton. He's now the team leader on the Hercules aircraft as well as the Griffon helicopter. And now that our Griffon helicopter has spotted our diver as well as the folks that were on this pretend vessel, the helicopter is going to very slowly come back into the area. And in just a few moments, you're going to see our hoist operator drop down a line so that our diver can bring up our people back into the safety of the helicopter. There you see the line just dropping from the helicopter right now. In addition to search and rescue missions, the Griffon helicopter is also used for surveillance and reconnaissance, army training and casualty evacuation, as well as counter-drug operations. towards us, give them a wave and give them a big round of applause for doing such a great job demonstrating the search and rescue capabilities of your Royal Canadian Air Force Griffon helicopter. Our Griffon crew is going to demonstrate a little bit more of the maneuverability of the Griffon helicopter. We have about 85 of these helicopters in the Royal Canadian Air Force Infantry. They're based all over Canada, including places like Bagotville, Quebec, Gordon, Ontario, Cold Lake, Alberta, Edmonton, Alberta, Goose Bay, Newfoundland, Petawawa, Ontario, as well as Trenton, Ontario, among others. Now, keep your eyes on this helicopter here, folks, because they have a special treat here for you. They're just going to bring it into a hover, pace the helicopter towards us. And there's the bow. And now that our victims are safely aboard the helicopter and off to safety, it is time to dance in the streets. Very tight 360-degree turn as we see Porter Airlines making their way into the Billy Bishop Airport. I have to thank all of the fine personnel at both airports, including Pearson as well as Billy Bishop. We do